Are your home improvement projects truly investments or just expenses? Many homeowners spend money on fleeting trends but fail to invest in the one area that yields the best return, a functional, beautiful outdoor space. Stop wasting money and start building equity. When you invest in BNH Hardscaping, you are adding substantial, tangible value to your home. Experts agree that features like a custom outdoor kitchen and a professionally installed Paver patio offer some of the highest ROIs in home improvement. Buyers today look for turnkey outdoor living spaces that require zero maintenance, exactly what BNH provides with drought-friendly hardscape and turf. This is about future-proofing your home's sale price. We make this smart financial move easy. You can begin increasing your property value immediately with zero down payment and leverage our financing to secure the lowest monthly payments, making the ROI instantly positive. It's an investment that pays you back in savings, lifestyle, and equity. Invest in your home's future and your current lifestyle. Find out the exact ROI potential of your hardscape project with a free BNH estimate. Ready to make the smart move? Call 1-888-600-9648